Welcome to EMTB videos.
There has been talk about noise from the new Bosch Performance CX motor. It's not the noise from the motor when pedaling. It's a chattering noise while descending and not pedaling. I've ridden several bikes with the new Bosch, and sure, there is some noise. But how bad is it really? It's not like other bikes are silent. Are people only hearing this because they're listening for it? I've gone through my archive and collected clips from different bikes riding two different sections. They're all filmed with the same camera, same settings and same chest mount. So this should be an okay way to compare noise levels. There will be noise from all bikes. You will hear the tires rolling over the surface, you will hear cables rattling, you might hear noise from the motor. So in this test we're hearing the total amount of noise from the bike. We may not be able to say if one motor is noisier than the other. And that's okay, I think. The total amount of noise is what matters anyway. First out is the 2019 Canyon Neuron On with the Shimano E8000 motor. As you can hear, there is a bit of rattling noise here. It probably isn't caused by the motor, but that doesn't really matter. Then there's the Canyon Spectral On with the Shimano E8000 motor. It's about the same. Here is the 2019 Rocky Mountain Instinct Powerplay with the Dyname motor. And this is a really quiet ride. Look at the cables around the handlebar, short and tidy. This probably helps keeping the noise down. Next up is the 2020 Mondraker Crafty with the new Bosch Performance CX motor. At the top section you can hear a bit of noise. Is it bad though, compared to the Canyon Neuron On? Nah, not a big difference, I'd say. And noise is actually quite okay in the rocky section. (2020) Orbea Wild FS is another bike with a new Bosch motor. Again, you can hear a bit of noise, but when entering the rocky part, it's not too bad. Sure, the noise level can sound a bit annoying in these clips, but it really isn't too bad. Here's a few clips of bikes being filmed up close, and from this position, they're all quite silent. First is the 2020 Merida E160 with the Shimano motor. Then there's the new Bosch motor in these two clips. And I've ridden more motors. Here's from a smoother but still rooty trail. This is what the 2020 Mondraker Crafty with the Bosch motor sounds like here. Next up is the 2020 Specialized Kenevo with the Specialized RX 2.1 motor, built by Bros. there's the 2020 Merida E160 with the Shimano E8000. Finally, it's a 2019 Haibike X-Duro Enduro with the Yamaha PWX motor. Hopefully this have given you an idea of the noise. Unsurprisingly, the noise level varies, also between bikes using the same motor. This could be due to a lot of factors, like cable routing, the length of the cables, frame material, rear suspension design, and even what gear you're in. Some suspension designs will tug more on the chain than others, and tugging the chain can induce motor noise or rattle. The conclusion of this test has to be that some bikes are more noisy than others, regardless of what motor they are running. But some bikes can be pretty silent while descending, like the Merida with the Shimano motor and the Rocky Mountain with the Dyname motor. Bikes running the 2020 Bosch Performance CX will probably never be among the most silent ones, but the noise levels can be pretty average.